In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Facebook business page URL. If you want your Facebook business page to look more professional and be easier to share, updating the page URL is a great idea. A custom URL, also called a username, makes your page link cleaner, simpler, and easier for people to remember. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to update it from a desktop browser. To get started, log in to Facebook on your computer. Once you are signed in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture icon. From there, switch over to your business page profile. This is important because the settings you need are only available when you are actively using the page profile, not your personal account. After you've switched profiles, click your page profile picture again. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your business page, where you can manage page details and visibility options. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Under the Audience and Visibility section, click on Page Setup. This area contains the basic identity settings for your page, including the name and username options that affect your public page link. Once you are in Page Setup, select Name on the next screen. Find the Username section and click Edit. This is the field that controls the custom ending of your Facebook page URL. For example, this is the part that appears after Facebook's main website address. Now type in the new custom URL ending you want to use. Facebook will automatically check whether that username is available. If the name you want is already taken, you will need to try a close variation until you find one that's available. It's usually best to choose something short, clear, and closely related to your business name so people can easily recognize it. When you find an available option, click Save Changes. In some cases, Facebook may ask you to enter your password to confirm the update. That's a normal security step, so just complete it if prompted. After saving, your Facebook business page will have its new custom URL. It's a good idea to test the updated link afterward to make sure it works correctly, especially before sharing it on your website, emails, or other social platforms. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.